My dear students, in previous video we studied about Earth, globe and axis. Axis an imaginary line. Another imaginary line running on the globe divides into two equal parts. This line is known as the equator. Now I am going to explain it with the help of a diagram. Now this circle, suppose this circle is our earth. There are two poles, North Pole and South Pole. Or other name we can give Northern Hemisphere, and Southern Hemisphere, right? Southern Hemisphere. Okay, now we divide the earth with a parallel line. This parallel line is called equator. Equator. Now this equator divide the earth into two equal halves. Two equal halves. The northern half, this is called northern half. The northern half of the earth is known as the northern hemisphere, and the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. They are both equal halves. Therefore, the equator is a very important reference point to locate places on the earth, and is a very important reference point to locate places on the earth. All parallel circles from the equator up to poles are called parallel or latitudes. You can draw parallel circles or horizontal lines. Latitudes are measured in degrees. The equator represents the 0-degree latitude. Since the distance from the equator to either of the pole is 1/4 of a circle round the earth, it will measure 1/4 of 360 degree, that is 90 degree. As such, all parallels north of equator are called north latitude. Similarly, all parallel south of equator are called south latitudes. The value of each latitude is therefore followed by either the word north or south. Generally, this is indicated by the letter N or S.